Hello friends, welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers, a smart personal interview preparation module 2 session. So in module 1 we already discussed about the basics of interview, the introduction of this program and the basics of interview, different modes of interview. Okay, and we understand that why this program is so important. In this, as we promised that in this program we are going to prepare you for the interview, personal interviews. So before we gonna tell you about what exactly you need to do in the personal interview, the first thing that you guys need to know, what are the basic common mistakes that most of the candidates do while interview. Okay, that is the most important thing, that uh, to know a better way that what exactly you need to do in the interview to get selected. First of all, you should know what are the things that you should not do in the interview or during the interview process. Okay, let's see what are those things. So the common mistakes in the interview process, first of all, let's understand the interview timeline. Okay, so the interview timeline is like this: confirmation of the interview, like suppose you get a say email or a call that your interview is confirmed on flan date and blah blah. Second thing is the interview, that the interview process, it will be a 1 hour interview, 2 hour interview, 2 rounds of interview. Okay, that is the interview process, right? And the third timeline is the results, when they tell you that either you selected or you are not selected. Okay, so this is the phase of the interview. Then after the result, you are again back to the previous position like this, where before confirmation position. Okay, and if you got selected, then the path changed to something else. Now, to be very precise, you need to take care of yourself, whatever activities you do in this region, that come from confirmation to interview to results. Okay, whole process you need to take care of whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing. Okay, so the first thing and the foremost thing that most of the interns, most of the candidates do, the most of the biggest common mistake is the pre and post interview actions. Okay, sometimes what is that means is like the moment you get a confirmation from a company, so you start talking about that interview to the person who is connected to that company, to the person whom you are interacting. Okay, and a lot of time you say something that is not the interest of that company. कि जैसे कि oh, I'm just doing this interview, I'm not interested in this job, I'm just doing this interview, for just a knowledge purpose, I'm interested in MBA. Okay, sometimes post interview you get very familiar with the HR or the executive, you start talking about the company and all these things. This idea I don't believe, I believe in a startup or something like that. Okay, so whatever your actions, your talks before and the after interview, that matters a lot. Sometimes people become very uh, aggressive, aggressively chatting with the HR. Ma'am, you have told me that you will send me lot letter in morning 9 o'clock, but you didn't send me, something like that. Sometimes in during the interview, the company says that the result will be out on after 3 days, after 4 days, but the result never out. So don't send a very aggressive email to them. They will declare the result that day, that moment, and then you are not selected. So the post and the pre and post interview actions are very important. Try to control yourself, which is required to be asked, then only ask as a real concern, not just ask something because you get a chance to ask. Okay. Second biggest mistake lot of candidates do is they start studying very seriously when they get a confirmation in the interview. Okay, they started studying their books, they started studying something else. That is not advisable. See, people say that studying is good, but that is not advisable. It's better to you go and study about the company, their website, their and go study about the news. what is currently happening in the world and all these things. That is more important than studying your books. Okay, so don't start studying. Use that time to study which is something smart, what is happening in the world, what is going in that company and all. Okay. Third thing, which is also very important for nowadays generations, bad representation. A lot of people are not able to get confirmation for an interview, or even during after the confirmation also. When a company give you a confirmation that yes, you are shortlisted for the interview, the executives of the company start searching about you on internet, especially on LinkedIn, Telegram, and Instagram, Facebook. And if they find out that the posts that you have done in LinkedIn, whatever you have wrote in LinkedIn, then and that what a kind of pictures you have posted in Instagram or Facebook, even though it's a personal stuff, but the moment if they find out that the way you represent yourself is a very reckless, is a very clumsy kind of guy, they will not hire you. They will not tell you that this is the reason, but they will not hire you. So if you want to become an executive, if you are entering in a corporate world, make sure your personal and the professional representation is very neat, very clean, right? You cannot just you want to become a you want to work in a company corporate, the company is looking for profit and all. You cannot just write a long article on LinkedIn that capitalist thinking is very bad, it should be socialist thinking, the big companies are drowning down the country and all. That kind of stuff you cannot write. This is not fair, okay, as per the company's concern. So you need to keep aside your socialist thinking and then think as a corporate and the capitalist nature. So your presentation on your CV, on your LinkedIn, on Telegram, on Instagram, Facebook, anything should be very neat and clean. Okay. And please, like if you are a huge fan of TikTok and all, please switch off your TikTok activities for few days at least. The fourth one is, which is also very important, every interview process in India especially, and nowadays this is getting true for all across the world, every interview process is, it is not a process of selecting 2 out of 200. It is the process of rejecting 198 out of 200. Okay, so they are more interested to find something to reject you, right, rather than to find something to select you. They're more interested to something to find something to reject you. So if they are looking to reject you, don't give them a reason. Don't give them a reason to reject. उनको कोई कारण मत दो कि हमें मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दो. So and what is that means? That everybody says, sir, why should I have given them a reason to reject? Of course you are giving them a reason to reject. Why you are giving them a reason to reject? क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि तुम reason दे रहे हो? Because while preparing for interview, if somebody give you a suggestion that when you going for a formal interview, please wear a tie. Even if it is an online interview, wear professionally something. Okay, your background should be nice, be in a quiet place, buy a small handset or earphones so that you can easily listen to them carefully, have a very good internet connection. Okay, and when you are going to their office, dress it well, have your documents ready. Okay, a lot of time the candidates think, अरे ये सब matter नहीं करते, all this thing doesn't matter, they need to test my capabilities, they can test me. No, they are testing your capabilities, but they are testing your sincerity as well. And if they find out कि yeah, the guy is good, but we told them already to bring photocopies of your document, we told them already to bring your Aadhaar card, PAN card, copy of that, something like that, and he didn't bring all these things, so I think he is not supposed to be in that position. He's not a sincere guy. So don't give the interviewer any reason to reject you. Okay? Try to control that. Fifth, which is also important, hyperactive and emotional. Sometimes, and that I understand that because of COVID, because of lack of opportunities to a lot of students, whenever to getting an interview call, is become a big is nowadays becoming a very big thing to a lot of candidates. They think that, oh wow, I got an interview call, wow, you need to do something, So I understand that, getting interview call becoming very big thing. So, but it doesn't mean that you become very hyperactive. Okay, you start saying, yes sir, of course sir, I will do this sir, and you become emotional about that thing, right? Yes, it might be possible this job is very important to you. This job is all your world, but that doesn't mean that you'll show over emotions to the company. Right? You need to be calm, careful, calm guy. Okay, so avoid being hyperactive, avoid being emotional during the interview and the interview process, from confirmation to result to the interview. Okay. Sixth, and this is very important in terms of a lot of youngsters and who are getting a new job. Again, this is also connected with the fifth point. In the interview, people want a balanced behavior. They don't want any unbalanced behavior from your side. What do you mean by unbalanced behavior? So, what you wrote in the CV and what you are talking about yourself, if it is different. You wrote in the CV that you are a finance guy, you did an internship in finance, you are interested in financial analysis, you are interested in A, B, C, D, blah, blah, blah. But in the interview, if you are saying that, okay, if it is a marketing role, yes, I can do marketing role, I'm a marketing kind of person. So the company judges unbalanced behavior. What is there and what you're talking about is absolutely different. You should be balanced. Okay, if the company is looking for something else, you need to say something that that includes everything, not excludes. Okay, so think about it. Talk in a very balanced way. Talk in a way that your life for next 5 years, 10 years is already sorted. You are applying for this job because you want this job to have, and next 2 to 3 years you don't have any plan to do MBA or any further studies. You want to be in job, and if you join this job, you have no idea or no likings to just change the job to another company or something like that. You want to be honest, loyal, and punctual to the company. So that you need to talk in a very balanced way. ये नहीं कि बोल कुछ और रहे हैं, दिख कुछ और रहा है, right? That unbalanced behavior, it's not acceptable. So these are the 6 things that people need to take care during this interview process, from confirmation to the interview and the results. Okay, so these are the most common mistakes the people do. Okay, so if you faced like this in your life, if you see your friends face like this, please don't do these mistakes. In the next module, we will definitely go through the interview process and go through the interview process and go through the interview strategy in the module 3, and the module 4 we will talk about the how to do the preparation. Thanks for your time. Take care of yourself. Good night.